how to enable credit over usage in Google Antigravity. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can enable AI credit over utilization or over usage when you run out of the model limits in Google Antigravity agent. So if you wish to use the agent further beyond the limits, you can enable this particular toggle and it will give you more access at some particular predefined cost as per your usage. So let me show you how you can do this. So to enable this, simply go to the settings gear icon just beside your profile picture and click onto the second option, that is open anti-gravity user settings. Now from this particular page, click on to the models option, and from here under the model credit it says enable AI credit over usage. When toggled on, anti-gravity will use your AI credits to fulfill model requests. Once you are out of model quota, anti-gravity will use your model quota first before using AI credits. So if you wish to enable this, you can simply enable this right here, and here you can see that the available AI credits are 1000. If you want to get more AI credits, you can use this option, or apart from that, to check out the activity, click onto the see activity option. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.